I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak food fusion. First, understand that food fusion is about blending different culinary traditions to create something new and exciting. When it comes to steak, this means taking a beloved cut of meat and infusing it with unexpected flavors and cooking methods from around the world. The goal is to achieve a harmonious balance where each element enhances the other, resulting in a truly unique dining experience. We'll explore how to select your steak and choose the perfect fusion style. Selecting the right steak is crucial for a successful fusion dish. Opt for cuts like a well-marbled ribeye, a lean sirloin, or a versatile flank steak, each offering distinct textures and flavors. Next, pinpoint your fusion style. Are you leaning towards an Asian-inspired teriyaki glaze, a vibrant chimichurri from Latin America, or perhaps a Mediterranean herb crust? Your choice of theme will guide your ingredient selection, ensuring a cohesive and delicious outcome. Think about how the steak's natural profile will interact with your chosen global flavors. Now let's get cooking. Begin by marinating your chosen steak for at least 30 minutes, allowing those fusion flavors to penetrate deeply. A longer marinade up to several hours can yield even more intense results. Next, sear your steak in a hot pan with a high smoke point oil for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates a beautiful, flavorful crust. Finally, finish cooking to your preferred doneness. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, it's essential to let your steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. When slicing, always cut against the grain to maximize tenderness. For presentation, consider garnishing with fresh herbs like cilantro or basil, a drizzle of your fusion sauce, or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve your masterpiece immediately with side dishes that echo your chosen fusion theme, creating a complete and unforgettable culinary journey for your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.